What is up, dudes and dudettes? Outdoor Gladiators here, Richard and Justin. We are out here at Tobacco Lagoon. Today we are gonna do some bass fishing. We're gonna get on these bass, what is it, Rippin lips?
Rippin lips.
Rippin lips. So we're in our kayaks. We figured we'd do the intro when we get out here. You see us, we're already in the water. First time we're taking out the yaks this year. Excited. In fact, I'm getting a phone call right now from Filet Ray. He's going to be out here, and we're going to be doing a small little tournament. See who can catch the most bass out here.
Of course we're going to win.
Of course. Although Filet Ray has said that he has been out here, and he knows where the fish are. He's been slamming them, so we might have our work cut out for us. Nonetheless, check out this intro. We'll see you guys in a second. All right, now just doing some yakking. Got my Crocs on. You know what they say, you ain't rocking unless you're cracking. Get over to this spot over here. I feel so good to be on the water using the kayak. You make this purchase, and I only used it a couple times last year, so it's good to finally use it. The water this year is kind of dirty, man. It's all this like muck pushed up along the sides here, but we had this pocket last year. I'm gonna go check it out and see if they're there. Bunch of stuff on the water here is crazy. Yo, you gotta watch this muck. I'm caught up in some muck already. Gotta get over there. Ugh. Oh shoot. Look at this. It's disgusting. You think so? Oh, what is this, man? So this is a no-go?
This is like silver with like an orange body, like a minnow, bleed minnow. And he got a few hits. We fished over, you know, going into them corners like where we was before. But the shit, it ain't right. And our Bay City spot might be the way to go. I just didn't want you to get here and not be able to at least, you know, drop your yak real quick, and then
I'm gonna push off you.
Decide. That's okay.
Pull us. There we go.
All right. Well, we leaving.
All right.
Let's go.
We're going.
All right, Pete. We coming out just a second.
I don't think you're gonna catch up to me anytime soon. I'm going right side. Right side. Yours is more aerodynamic, that's why.
Hello.
Hi, how? Oh my goodness, what a beautiful dog.
Hello.
Oh my
No, what?
gosh. Wow, what a beautiful dog. German?
German Shepherd.
Wow, beautiful dog. 9 years old.
Yeah.
Doesn't even look 9 though. Looks young. You are a beautiful dog. Yes, you are. All right, what's up, guys? We just got off the lagoon. It was full of weeds.
Very disappointing.
Very disappointing. We did see a lot of bass jump. Hopefully, we got that on film. But nonetheless, we're gonna go check out a different spot. Ray and Dale are gonna get us on a spot that they like to bass fish at. So hopefully we can get on the bass. I'm gonna drop their channels down below. Check them out. Dale has an awesome intro. Check that out. Subscribe to both. Hit that bell notification for them. Same for us. We'll see you guys out there. There was something jumping over there, Dale. On that side over there. Did you see that thing jumping over there? There it is again. Oh, it's carp, okay. You got one? Yeah! Come on, Dale. Hold on, I'm coming over. There you go, Dale. Look at that. Good job, Dale. On the board, man. You know what that means, though? I gotta do some work. Dale, you are still on that, you're not on a chatterbait, you're on a
Football jig.
Football jig.
Yeah. It's pretty much like the chatterbait, it bounces on the bottom. The chatterbait, it is rattling the water down there. Try to get it as low as you can. And just let it rattle the water. Now this football jig, I'm bouncing it off whatever's down there.
Yeah.
I'm trying to feel the vibration of it. I'm trying to hit it. And that's how you connect that strike.
Okay, okay. I'm trying to get this on the bottom, but
I'm pretty much at what size is it, you know?
I don't.
I know I pretty much have money with, I get half ounce or half ounce shit.
Okay.
Everything they got is half ounce. And that's what it gets to the bottom faster.
Yeah.
Even if it comes up and you really fast, they're still going to strike it because it's heavy and it's coming from the bottom up.
Oh, one on. Maybe, yep, 1-0.
Got one on.
Fish on, fish on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. As we're literally, Dale's trying to, you know, tell me what I need to do here. We got one on. Look at that, fish on, baby.
Nice.
Fish on. Not nearly as, I'm gonna say it, not nearly as big as yours here, Dale, but hey, it's on the board. Oh, I'm gonna do this play by play here. So I'm talking to Dale about, you know, how to work it. And as I'm like working it, I get a fish on. That was sweet, man.
I let it sit down.
Man.
I let it drop.
Yeah.
I don't even start reeling it. Exactly. I let it sit there. I let it get all the way to the bottom, and I let it sit for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then I start reeling.
That's exactly what I did too. I just let it sit for a minute. Well, guys, that's going to conclude this video. We tried a couple different, I was about to say lakes, but we tried Topeka Lagoon, then we tried the river in here in Bay City. Both kind of failed us today.
Tons of duckweed.
Yeah, just
Carp.
lots of stuff. Yeah, carp. Lots of stuff that got in the way and affected our fishing today. However, nonetheless, it ended up being a nice day. Still great to be on the water. So, you know, maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
I did get a tan.
We did get a tan, and we're tired. We're gonna go rest up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, follow us along on these adventures, and we'll see you guys in the next one.